For number 7, just like the other ones, we're given a cost for this one on of a taxi ride, and we're told there's a fixed charge, $2.50 as soon as you get in the taxi, $2.25 per mile after that, and we're supposed to find an equation. And the equation that we're going to be able to use to determine the cost of an X mile taxi ride. So this is defining our variables. So the X mile taxi ride, X is the number of miles we go in the taxi, and C of X is the cost. So if we just write C of X, that's the cost. And how much is it? A fixed charge of $2.50 just by sitting in that taxi cab. And then plus, if you ride the taxi 1 mile, you have to pay $2.25 for that 1 mile. 2 miles, 2 times $2.25, so $4.50. And so you add that to the $2.50 because the $2.50 is the fixed charge. The $2.25 per mile is the variable charge. And so that's the rate. It's the rate of change. It's $2.25 per mile. That's the rate of change. That's the, if we were to graph this, we would graph a line. That $2.25 is the slope of the line. And that's the rate of change of the function. So we're supposed to know that. And again, if we were to graph this, we would have a y-intercept of 250, and then we would increase by 225 per 1 mile. So 225 up, 1 mile over, and we could draw the graph of that function if we really wanted to. It didn't ask us to do that, but just FYI.